So this right here is a 2015 Ford Focus. I'm going to show you how to take off this door panel and take the window regulator out of this vehicle. First, you're going to start by taking out this little, I'm going to call it a protector for the screw. This little insert, just like that. Inside here is a T25 screw. It's right here. Just like that. Take that out. Next thing you're going to do is this piece right here. This piece pulls off. So what you're going to do is you're going to pull from up here though, because it slides in this way. So pull it up from up here. Just grab it. You can stick a screwdriver in it if you need to. Just like that. See how it has that little piece? You don't want to pull from here because you'll break this. So, alright, next thing you got to do is pull this piece out. This part will pull out also. Just pull up on it. Come directly out. What we're going to do is disconnect both connectors. Pull this one out and this one. So put this down. Inside of here, there's a T25 screw here. I'm going to go straight through. Pull that out. If you look down here on the other side, there's one right here too. You're gonna pull this one out too. So you take out this one and you take out this one. That's two. And the one over here, that's three. All right. Now, inside here, you have to take out this little insert here. The way to do it is to press it in. Kind of press in right here. Well, you might just have to just stick something in it and pull it out. But there you go. So you just stick something in it and pull it out and it'll come right out. There's a T25 screw in here also. Take that one out too. Alright, so let's see if this comes out. I don't think this comes out. So after that, you're gonna go down to the bottom down here. And there's two screws down here. One right there, and then one over here. You're gonna remove those two screws also. Those two screws are 7 millimeters. So the next thing you're gonna do is you're just gonna grab the door, put something under it, and pull. All right. Actually, let's take this tweeter off first. See this tweeter here? Let's take this off first. There you go. Pull that whole tweeter off. Now, see it has a clip here? The one down here is missing because it's still in the door. We're going to pull that out and put that back in. All right, so we have that. I'm gonna put that back in there. All right, so you're gonna stick a screwdriver or anything, some type of pry tool in here and pull away from the door, all right? Just like that. Now I'm gonna try to pull this off. pulling it off. See right here. Pull this one off too. There's one right here. Just like that. I'm gonna have to disconnect this one clip here. This right here, from the back side of the door, it just has clips on it. You just push down on them and push it out the door, turn it, and just pull it out. So it just snaps in the door. So if you take it, put it back through the door like this, just like that. It goes in, it's a little point right here. You gotta put that like this. Put it and then snap it in, it'll snap in. But from the back side, you just push those clips down and just pull it out. That's how you get that loose. What I'm gonna do is show you how to put the panel back on. It's not too hard. What you do is, you take this part right here, which is the lock and unlock your door, stick it through the hole, just like that. Right here is like a little point. You stick that right behind the door, put it up against it, and then you just press it. So that's locked now. Now you come on this side in here, and in here you're gonna start hooking up everything. This right here, the smaller one, goes to the lock. So it just goes right here, just like this. Just like that. So that's locked. And then you have these two right here. These two go through the hole on this side over here. Just kind of pull them off to the side. Now what you're gonna do is, you put it on either way. You can put it on like the top first if you want, or the bottom. All you have to do is line up this hole right here. Line up this with this hole and this push clip to this hole. Like this. Like that. So that's on. Before you push anything down, make sure you pull these cables back out. They'll fall in. Cables all the way out. Just like that. Now you're just gonna line up the rest of the door. Just like that. Just knock them all together. You gotta line those holes up. Okay, so it's on. What you're gonna do, get your 3 silver screws. One goes in here, one goes in here, and then one goes up here, just like that. Get your lock. This little point right here goes right in this hole right here. It's a hole right here. Before you do that, go ahead and plug everything up. It's only 2 plugs. Lean it in, and just push down. So that part's on. This is the same way, but it has the guide here. You go in from the back and then snap it down, just like that. All right, you got 1 black screw, goes in right here in the corner, right here. That's in. You have an insert. It goes right here. The bottom goes in first, then it goes in. Okay. You also have this insert. This just pops in. It goes this way. Just like that. That's popped in. Last but least, you got your tweeter cover. This car doesn't come with tweeters, so it just has a cover. Just put it in just like this. Line up the holes. The ones that go on at the bottom are 7mm. These two screws here. Just one here and one here. They go up under the bottom. Got the door panel on, and all we're gonna do is test the glass and make sure that the glass works, and that's it.